Welcome guys, welcome to Edu Home Tax. So today we will discuss a very important topic, that is mutual funds. We all know that everybody today advises to invest in mutual fund and they say mutual fund sahi hai. But why they consider it to be the sahi one, let us see in this video. So we all see in our television advertisements that mutual funds are considered as a sahi hai investments over the share market, but we also see a statement at the end that mutual fund investments are subject to market risk and please read the offer documents carefully before investing. So why they are asking us to be careful and at the same time they are asking us to invest in it? Let us see. So first of all, we should understand why share market is not a better option and why mutual fund is considered a better option. Say suppose you invest in the shares of a company called Infosys. Number one, day-to-day management. So if you are a salaried person or if you are doing business, it's not possible for you to day-to-day go and see what are the share prices, how the company is working, how the company is functioning. So there may be a situation where you are involved in your work and suddenly there is a sudden drop in the price of the companies. The drop in the price of the companies are beyond your control. So number one, day-to-day monitoring. Second, diversification means if you invest your fund in too many stocks, that becomes better because in that way you reduce your risk. But is it possible with the limited fund? Say suppose if you have a limited fund, in that case you cannot diversify yourself. Third, rumors. We all know that share market is full of rumors. You get a call from your friend and he asks you to invest in one particular stock and you invest it. What happens at the end? The share market falls and you loses your money because you have invested based on some fake rumors. Number four, knowledge. Everybody is not from a finance sector. Correct. So it's not possible to understand the terminology, it's not possible to understand the financial statements, it's not possible to understand the fundamentals of the company. Number five, expert. We are not expert at everything. We are expert at our jobs, we are expert at our business, but we are not expert in the stock market. We might take wrong decisions as well. So in that case, we may lose our money. So these are few risk which are there in the share market. There could be other risk as well. So does this mean the share market is bad? The answer is no. Share market is just too volatile, it's just too risky, and it's not good for us average class people, it's not good for the salaried people because there is a high risk involved. So in that case, government wants that the investors should invest in the safe option, which is mutual fund. Now let us see why mutual fund is considered a safer option. So in mutual fund, how it works, like we investors, what we do, we invest our money instead of stock, we invest our money in mutual funds. So we select mutual funds, we select one particular mutual fund and then we put our money into that mutual fund. What does that mutual fund does? That mutual fund invest our money into number of stock, in the sense they does not purchase one particular stock, rather they invest the money in a basket of stocks considering 10, 20, 30 depending upon the mutual fund. So in that way what the mutual fund does, it diversify it diversify, and hence our risk gets reduced because it's not possible that at the same time all the stock will fall. If one stock falls, there is other stocks which is doing well and it will support us. So in that case mutual fund is considered safe. Also mutual fund is managed by fund managers who are professionals in their field, who have experience and expertise in the finance sectors, who know share market well and who can monitor the stock on a regular basis. So in this way, as compared to the share market, mutual funds are considered as safer options. So that's why everybody, even the government, wants that the individual average investors should invest in mutual funds rather than stock. That does not mean that you should not invest in share market, but mutual fund is considered a better option. Also when you invest in mutual fund, you get a benefit in the income tax, up to 1.5 lakh of deductions you get when you invest in the mutual funds. So I hope you like this small video or a small explanation on this. Thank you.